Skatta, suck your mother, you. If I never got him to my yard, when I put on your credit now, I was a 3 hours. I want to put out.
Anything you depend on that, me depend, brother, but make sure say when you do something, it not done. Cause all when me 6 feet under the ground, it not done.
Popcaan fiery response to Skatta after their Freedom Street drama, and the queen of dancehall, Spice, throwing major shade at Alkaline while celebrating Vybz Kartel's grand return to the stage. Let's break it all down. Let's talk about the brewing feud between Popcaan and Skatta. It's getting intense, folks. During his performance at the Freedom Street concert, Popcaan didn't hold back, hurling insults at Skatta right on stage.
Suck your mother, you. If I never got him to my yard, when I put on your credit now, I was a 3 hours. I want to put out one on the native then. Don't do that to you. 3 hours, no front and front. It's a lifetime moment, regardless. Speak of the word, man.
And guess what? Skatta wasn't about to let that slide. Earlier today, he responded with a video addressing Popcaan's remarks. Popcaan, in true Unruly fashion, doubled down on X, formerly Twitter, declaring that no one, not even Skatta, can intimidate him. He wrote, "No one in the world can hit Unruly and not face serious consequences. Skatta, I'm telling you again, go and suck your mother and let go of my shirt." Can you believe he said that? He's making it clear that he's standing his ground. But here's where it gets personal. Skatta revealed that his mother has been hospitalized for some time, and he didn't appreciate the disrespect, especially in such a public setting. In his video, he said, "Man diss me publicly, me drag him under the stage, and disrespect him privately." And then he added a chilling warning, hinting he could have taken things much further.
Oh, I know say it easy for some man make certain utterance and get out of it. And me as an individual, you normally pay them things in my mind. A man can tell me suck my mother 1,000,000 times. I'm overlook it. Because he's a man slow to react. See? However, on this occasion, I and my mother in the hospital. I've been in the hospital for a while. And a man now go take it up on him head. You come tell me you suck my mother in a public space with thousands of people and expect say it will just get thrown under the rug because me is a promoter and me have a lot more followers than them. Enough time artists go up on stage and diss up the promoter and diss up certain people because them know say the promoter keep the peace because I feel them event and them have everything for lose. And I was faced with that situation first night. Big Freedom Street concert, Kartel's return. You see me? And when I see that individual make that statement loud and proud, it put me in a dilemma right there, so. Because how me I go address this now? How me I go address this without mashing up the show? However, he's a man, blood run through my veins, see? I'm enough to deal with things. Man diss me publicly, I drag him under the stage and disrespect him back privately. I'm gonna tell you something. Could I murder you on another stage there? If you're watching them out, man. I found the youth and a real man nowadays, you know, because trigger finger action no make you man. Because all out can do them things. And no man know me from nowhere. If you pretend like say me and them are enemy or friend and I disrespect me. Because I don't disrespect it. So make it loud and clear, say yo. Anything you depend on that, me depend on that, but make sure say when you do something, it not done. Because all when me 6 feet under the ground, it not done. Remember, I might honor me to talk about. Because I can't face my son if I'm gonna go jump up on my honor. He's a real man. Big up everybody still will turn out for the show. Don't let this be a mar on the whole project. It was wonderful. And I respect all the players, everybody on the team, you know. Big up Vybz Kartel. You did everything to make this thing a success. Respect. I'm out.
So viewers, what do you think? Is this just a heated clash of egos, or has it gone too far? Should artists air out their grievances publicly, or handle things behind the scenes? Let me know in the comments. Now, on to the epic Freedom Street concert. If you missed it, this was Vybz Kartel's first performance after 13 years in prison. And let me tell you, it was a night to remember. The queen of dancehall, Spice, took the stage with Kartel, and they didn't disappoint. Spice delivered hit after hit, including her classic, So Me Like It. But the real highlight came when she performed a remix of Kartel's The Comet, the song that marked his return to the music scene. And, oh boy, did she take the opportunity to throw some shade at Alkaline. Here's what she said during her performance.
Look how me tell us that the boss was coming. Look how me tell us that the boss was coming. Look how me tell us that the boss was coming. The boss was, me said it, Lord. I want to give it 3 minutes, man.
Hey, I ain't not there with 3 minutes, man.
Leave me alone, man. Fresh out of prison and I make more money than enough artists when they are road long. Why you fi compare Alkaline, him a the student to the world boss team. The man come from prison, buy new car, new house, and new vagina. The man... Remember me tell us that the boss was coming. Remember me tell us that the boss was coming. Remember me tell us that the boss was... The boss was... Me said the boss was coming. Remember me tell us that the boss was...
I want spice it up. Yeah, I'm gonna play. But come like I'm here for ring in the new year.
Might as well.
Might as well. How much minute we have left?
The king and the queen.
One.
We have one more.
Nothing, where you there?
We have 1 more minute.
1 more minute. Make us sing 2 lines of this week, quick. Eternal Father,
Bless us.
guide us, keep us free from evil powers. Just be, oh shit. Grant you wisdom from above.
Justice.
As
Forever.
Jamaica land we love.
Jamaica. Jamaica.
Jamaica land we love. The General.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Hey. Watch there. 2025. And what are we alive? 2025. And what are we alive?
Happy New Year.
2025. And what are we alive?
Welcome to 2025. Let's do this. God above mankind.
Let's do this.
God above all things.
Let's do this.
You made it to see a new year.
Oh.
Big up Father God. God is the greatest.
Never seen it. We are alive. We are alive. We are alive. We are alive. We are alive.
2025.
2025 and we are live. Big up everybody in the stadium. Love or no?
Big up my son Nicholas. Popcaan there with me as well.
Pam, big up yourself, Pam.
Happy New Year. Twinkle is here.
And that's how we live. We live in our love, you see? Gracie, me love your clothes, you know. Gracie. Gracie. People, a years we are doing it.
Big up.
New Year's.
I can't put in. They can't put in. You got a fat put in.
I'm happy to see you.
Yeah. Spice with a guy. They are celebrating the people. They are celebrating. That is the greatest people. Remember me telling you that. After your life, you can achieve anything you want. 2025 and we are live. 2025 and we what? Live.
Jamaica, can I hear you? Vybz Kartel. Spice.
Yes.
Nuffy.
Yes.
It's Railway from Portmore.
Remember that.
Can I hear some noise for
How
Portmore?
you mean? They got Portmore City. They got the whole Jamaica. And that's something enough and Spice apart from one Portmore.
One Portmore.
From nothing
Nothing.
to something.
100 years.
Spice made it clear.
Yeah.
Kartel's still the king, and no one else comes close. The crowd went wild, of course. But what do you think? Is Spice right to call out Alkaline like that? Or should she focus on celebrating Kartel without shading others? And do you think Kartel's comeback will shake up the dancehall scene even more? Drop your thoughts in the comments below.